I'm coming to you this week live from the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower in downtown Chicago. Now, the Sears Tower was originally built in 1974 and cost $160 million. Now, Chicago is well known for its famous architecture, and in fact, they just don't make buildings the way that they used to. But what you probably didn't know is that buildings and real estate in general have special tax treatment. So I'm going to spend this week talking about how real estate is treated for tax purposes, but more importantly, how you can get an extra bang for your buck through tax planning to help you lower your tax bill. So I mentioned that the Sears Tower originally cost $160 million to build, and the way that it's treated for tax purposes is it's depreciated or written off over a period of time, and the IRS allows you to deduct part of the cost of that building to construct it or purchase over 39 years for commercial property. So it roughly comes out to between $3 and $4 million a year. So if you were the owner of the Sears Tower, for example, you'd be able to deduct between $3 and $4 million a year in calculating your taxable income. So it helps to save over time. But 39 years is a really long period of time. So what we do as tax planners is we use something called cost segregation to help give you a bigger write-off. And here's how it works. Of course, a building is not just a shell. It's made up of all kinds of components: lighting, improvements, cabinetry, flooring, and any other kinds of equipment that go into it. And those all have shorter lives as described by the IRS. So what you can do if you own commercial real estate is you can do what's called a cost segregation. And a cost segregation is simply assigning values from the original purchase price or price to construct the building, and you assign it to the different components that make up that entire building. Those components can have shorter lives from anywhere from 3 to 5 to 7 or 15 years, and that allows you to get a much bigger write-off up front. So a tip here is if you own commercial property or even residential property, look into doing a cost segregation study to see if you can get a bigger write-off right now rather than waiting the 39 years to expense your deduction over. That's all for this week, and remember, certified tax coaches are tax advisors that are specially trained in helping you to reduce your tax and keep more of what you earn. Until next time.